Welcome all. How are you and your loved ones doing? Today, we have a question from the N.D.A Exam I 2023. But before we dive into that, let's first understand the usage of time prepositions in, on, and at. Time prepositions are used to indicate specific points in time or time periods. Let's take a look at how they are used. We use in when referring to longer periods of time, such as years, months, seasons, or centuries. For example, I was born in 1990, or they went on vacation in the summer. On the other hand, on is used for specific days or dates. For instance, the meeting is on Monday, or her birthday is on the 15th of May. Lastly, at is used to indicate a specific time or point in time. For example, let's meet at 3 o'clock, or the train arrives at midnight. Now that we have a good understanding of these time prepositions, let's move on to the question and see if we can identify the error. Here's the question. 3 parts of a sentence are given: A, B, and C. We need to identify if there is an error in any of these parts. Let's take a look at the parts. Part A, Columbus made his. Part B, first voyage from Europe to America. Part C, on 1942. Part D, no error. Can you spot the error? Take a moment to think about it. The error lies in part C, which states on 1942. The correct sentence should be, Columbus made his first voyage from Europe to America in 1942. As we learned earlier, in is used when referring to a specific year, while on is used for specific days or dates. So, in this case, in is the correct preposition to use. Parts A and B, Columbus made his and first voyage from Europe to America, are both grammatically correct and do not contain any errors. Now, here's a fill-up question for you to test your understanding of time prepositions. Write your answer in the comments below. We usually celebrate New Year's Eve midnight. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, share it with others who might benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel for more grammar tips and exam-related content. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and gained a better understanding of time prepositions. Stay curious and keep exploring languages.